Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our pronunciation series. Today, we're tackling a word that's been in the spotlight: impeach. Stick around as we break down its pronunciation, meaning, usage in sentences, word stress, and phonetic pronunciation. Let's start with the phonetic transcription. I impeach. 2 syllables. Now, let's explore what this word means. Impeach is a verb that means to accuse a public official formally of misconduct in office. It's a term often associated with legal and political processes. Now, let's see it in action. The opposition party decided to impeach the president over allegations of corruption. In this context, impeach implies a formal accusation or charge against a public figure. Word stress is crucial for natural pronunciation. In impeach, the stress falls on the second syllable. Say it with me, I impeach. Breaking it down further, the I is pronounced as in, him, and the EA sounds like the E in C. So, it's I impeach. To summarize, impeach is a 2-syllable word with stress on the second syllable, meaning to formally accuse a public official. Practice saying it with confidence.
Impeach. 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 If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips, and let us know in the comments which words you'd like us to cover next. Keep refining those pronunciation skills, and until next time, happy learning.